To send money from India to Dubai, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer method, such as a bank transfer, online money transfer service, or exchange house. Each method has its own fees and exchange rates, so it is essential to compare them before making a decision. Once you have chosen a method, you will need to gather the necessary documents, including a valid government-issued ID, proof of address, and the recipient's details, such as their name, address, and bank account number. Next, you will need to visit the bank or exchange house in person, or log in to the online money transfer service, and provide the required documents and information. You will then be asked to specify the amount you want to transfer in the currency you want to transfer it in. After that, you will need to pay the transfer fee and the amount you want to transfer. The transfer fee will depend on the method you have chosen and the amount you are transferring. You will also need to check the exchange rate, as it can affect the amount of money the recipient will receive. It is also essential to check the transfer limit, as some methods have a limit on the amount you can transfer in a single transaction. Additionally, you should check the transfer time, as some methods can take several days to complete. To avoid any delays or issues, make sure to double-check the recipient's details and the transfer amount before confirming the transaction. You should also keep a record of the transaction, including the transaction reference number, to track the status of the transfer. Some popular online money transfer services for sending money from India to Dubai include UAE Exchange, Express Money, and Money to India. These services often offer competitive exchange rates and low transfer fees. In conclusion, sending money from India to Dubai requires some planning and research. But by following these steps and choosing the right method, you can ensure a safe and efficient transfer. Always compare fees and exchange rates, and make sure to provide accurate information to avoid any delays or issues.